When NASA launched its first space shuttle, re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere generated so much heat that it not only threatened the mission, but also the lives of the crew. Because of this, NASA developed a ceramic tile that covered the front end of the shuttle. The intense heat was deflected, and $1 billion problem was solved. Using NASA's experience, Thermoshield Coating developed an advanced radiant barrier coating with space-age insulation properties. This space-age wonder product is having a tremendous impact on the environment we live in and is a revolutionary approach to the coating industry worldwide. So whether you're earthbound or spacebound, Thermoshield provides space-age solutions to down-to-earth problems. Thermoshield's unique radiation-controlled coating for roofs and walls is without a doubt a coating material of the future. A test strip of mild steel treated with a 0.5 millimetre layer of Thermoshield in the middle and exposed to the tip of the flame of a blowtorch in effect of 1000 degrees Celsius on one side of the strip will prevent any heat transfer to the other side. Without Thermoshield's radiant heat barrier properties, the conduction of heat would become unbearable almost immediately. So why is Thermoshield so effective? As the blowtorch emits heat, the test strip absorbs heat and transfers it to the hand. With a coating of Thermoshield, the radiant heat is deflected, absorbed and dissipated. Like the blowtorch, when solar heat radiates across a roof, the surface temperature of the roof rises, resulting in 75 to 90% heat buildup inside the building. With Thermoshield, 75% of the heat is repelled in the direction of the source, allowing little heat transfer into the building, therefore reducing the temperature by up to 45%. Thermoshield furthermore has an ultraviolet resistance of 96% and a solar reflectance of over 80%, and an emissivity, which is the ability of the product to re-radiate, of 90%, which is as nearly good as a mirror. Thermoshield Coating's high thermal properties are due to millions of hollow ceramic beads that cluster together and provide dead airspace. When applied, this liquid acrylic emulsion dries and forms an elastomeric heat shield. Because of this, it reduces inside temperatures very dramatically. Unlike other roofing systems, Thermoshield Coating is so simple in application and dramatic in results. When Thermoshield Coating is applied, the surface is cleaned, prepared, and any loose roof fasteners are reinforced, replaced or tightened. Reinforcing is applied to seams where needed, and 2 coats of Thermoshield Coating are sprayed on. Once applied, the coating chemically converts rust into iron phosphate and stops continued corrosion. It will also seal and waterproof the roof, apart from forming the radiant heat barrier, and eliminates 80% of the very destructive thermal shock, a major cause of roof degradation and water leakage. Thermoshield coatings are available in a variety of pastel colours and are identified according to their product application. Thermoshield is a coating for metal surfaces and can be easily applied directly to rust, converting iron oxide to iron phosphate, preventing further rust problems. Thermoshield can be used on surfaces that reach up to 180 degrees Celsius without a polymerization breakdown. The features have been verified by international testing methods. These tests verify that Thermoshield is extremely resistant to fire, wind, rain, chemicals, abrasions and fungal growth. Thermoshield Coatings is also highly adhesive, flexible, waterborne, non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Because of Thermoshield's amazing space-age insulation properties, the application possibilities of these products are endless. Due to its super-effective radiant heat barrier properties, Thermoshield Coatings is without doubt today's most revolutionary coatings product in the world, because it reduces temperatures dramatically by up to 45% by thermal insulation. It stops thermal aging and thermal shock by reducing ultraviolet penetration and degradation. It eliminates blistering, peeling, cracking and fading. It converts rust and increases metal life. It cuts air conditioning and refrigeration equipment running costs. It reduces the risk of serious burns caused by high surface temperatures on metals. and is a first-rate waterproofing medium. Thermoshield is the most advanced insulating radiant barrier coating available. So whether you're earthbound or spacebound, count on Thermoshield coating to provide space-age solutions to down-to-earth problems. Thermoshield will reduce temperature up to 45%, cut cooling costs up to 40%, reduce UV penetration up to 96%, improve environmental conditions, prolong cooling equipment life, eliminate thermal shock, in other words, expansion and contraction. Plus, stops peeling, cracking and fading, converts rust into iron phosphate, seals and waterproofs, increases metal life, which will in turn save you money. Contact your nearest Thermoshield distributor for further inquiries.